Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of Bonide Neem Oil. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to find out our final verdict on whether this Bonide Neem Oil is worth it. Bonide Neem Oil Overview. Bonide Neem Oil is a versatile product derived from the neem seed that eradicates pests. It performs as a miticide, insecticide, and fungicide for the garden. Its organic formulation combats pests and diseases that attack plants, such as spider mites, aphids, or powdery mildew. The solution is tailored for crops like vegetables, flowers, and houseplants. It provides flexible alternatives tailored to your preferences and gardening needs through its concentrated formula or ready-to-use solution. What we liked: kills adult pests and insects, including eggs and larvae. Controls plant diseases like botrytis, powdery mildew, pythium, and nematodes. Ideal for organic gardening through a drench or spray. What we didn't like: can harm beneficial insects and organisms like bees, butterflies, and earthworms. Features: multi-purpose pest control solution. It is a 3-in-1 solution for pests, performing as a miticide, insecticide, and fungicide for the garden. User-friendly options. The product has a convenient and ready-to-use spray because it is pre-mixed for immediate application. An inbuilt spray nozzle makes the neem oil spritz effortless, and you can use it until harvesting time. The product also has a concentrated formula that requires mixing before application and is an economic alternative for your preference. Mix 2 to 4 tablespoons in 1 quart of water. Versatile use. It can be used on any plant, such as vegetables, flowers, trees, herbs, and houseplants. It also performs as the perfect dormant spray that safeguards the plants in your garden through all seasons. It emanates from the eco-friendly neem seed and is ideal for organic gardening. Who is the Bonide Neem Oil best suited for? The Bonide Neem Oil is suited for anyone with a garden who needs a solution that kills all stages of pests, including the eggs and larvae, and numerous fungal diseases that attack plants. Verdict: should you get the Bonide Neem Oil? The Bonide Neem Oil kills insects and organisms and can harm some useful ones in the garden, like bees, butterflies, and earthworms. Nevertheless, the product is excellent for a broad-spectrum control of pests and plant diseases. In addition, it stands out among other pesticides because it protects your plants throughout the year, regardless of the season. Thus, you should buy the Bonide Neem Oil as a 3-in-1 miticide, insecticide, and fungicide for your garden to eradicate plant diseases and pests. Thanks for watching.